Welcome back to the Owners Alliance Plugin Rundown, a series where we don't just help you find awesome plugins, but how to create and configure them too. Check out our private Discord, where you can meet and network with thousands of other server owners. But make sure to verify first, since verification is mandatory to keep our community safe. Let's jump right in on today's video. We will be looking at a plugin called EssentialsX. EssentialsX is the essential plugin suite for Spigot and paper servers, including over 130 commands and countless features for servers of any scale. EssentialsX isn't just about basic commands like each, home, long spawn, or TPA. It's actually a core plugin that most servers build around, because it provides all the essentials without needing 10 different plugins. For example, it includes kits. You can create starter kits for new players or donor kits with custom items. You can also manage warps, so players can teleport to different points on your server easily. EssentialsX Chat, which works with Vault and LuckPerms, lets you fully customize how names, prefixes, and colors appear in chat. If you've ever wondered how big servers have player ranks with colored tags and clean chat formatting, this is usually how. And don't forget economy support. With EssentialsX Eco, you can add a virtual currency to your server. That means players can earn, spend, and trade money, and you can hook it into shop plugins to make a fully functioning economy system. Installing EssentialsX is super simple. First, head over to the EssentialsX Modrith page and install the latest EssentialsX.jar. Next, open your server files and drop the jar into the plugins folder. And then restart your server, and EssentialsX will automatically create a folder with all the config files. From here, you can tweak settings like homes, warps, and kits in the config file. If you need any help, you can ask on the Owners Alliance Discord server, and everyone there will be willing to help you. And that's it. EssentialsX is now installed and ready to use on your server. What plugin would you like to see us cover next? Leave us a comment below, and we will select the comment with the most likes to cover in our next video.